Recently, my wife posted some pictures of her car on Facebook with custom vinyl overlays she made for her Veloster ends factory OEM wheels. Due to several requests, we've decided to offer these overlays for sale. In this video, we will show how to install the overlays and go over any issues that may arise during the installation process. The product is not hard to install, but can be a bit tricky if you don't know what you're doing. This video should help make the process easier. To install the product, you will first need to clean the wheels using alcohol. This is one of the most important steps. Clean the silver face of the wheel and the black area around the silver. Make sure to clean the lip of the wheel as well. This is important as the vinyl will wrap around the silver face of the wheel. This will help to prevent water from seeping into the vinyl. Next, peel the vinyl from the backing and begin laying the product on the wheel. We suggest laying the product left to right. Line up the left curve following the arch of the wheel to make sure the product covers the silver area of the wheel. You can lightly run your finger over the vinyl to ensure fitment, but do not press hard onto the vinyl. More than likely, you will need to pull the vinyl up from the wheel to make adjustments, and if you press firmly on the vinyl, you risk ruining it by stretching it out. You see in the video, we have to adjust the vinyl due to a small alignment issue. We pull up on the vinyl and readjust it to cover the silver area of the wheel. When this is done, the material has two small bumps on each side. To correct this, pull up the vinyl and gently smooth it back down into place. If you feel you need to have some more slack, you can cut the center of the transfer tape out. We only ran into this issue on one piece during this video. Once you're happy with the fitment, press firmly going around the entire vinyl section and then remove the transfer tape carefully. If the vinyl does not separate from the transfer tape, lay the vinyl back down and press the vinyl onto the wheel harder and try removing the transfer tape again. If you have further issues, gently peel the corner of the vinyl away from the transfer tape, then lay it back down on the wheel and peel off the transfer tape from the rest of the vinyl. This can happen due to the small surface area of the transfer tape. After the transfer tape has been removed, take your finger and go over the vinyl again, making sure to go over the edges of the vinyl. Finally, using a hairdryer, go over the vinyl with heat, smoothing down the vinyl with your finger. The vinyl may have small air bubbles in it. This is normal. However, if you have larger bubbles, you can take a sewing needle and pop the bubbles. To do this, you want to stick the needle into the bubble at a 45-degree angle. Do not stick the needle straight into the vinyl. After you stick the vinyl, massage the vinyl with your finger. This product will be sold as a set of 4 complete wheel sets plus 4 additional sections. We will offer this product in a variety of colors. To purchase a set, a link to our Etsy store will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.